Austin's need for reliable energy is growing fast. We are transitioning to a more environmentally sustainable grid, and at the same time, we are growing the grid, expecting it to do more. There are more people and more businesses making Austin home, and at the same time, we're experiencing more extreme weather events that are challenging Austin Energy's core mission. Austin Energy must meet this moment with a balanced, affordable, reliable, and community-driven plan that includes local energy solutions for our sustainable energy future. It's called the Resource Generation and Climate Protection Plan to 2035. It was shaped with strong community input and approved unanimously by the Austin City Council. The objective is a clean energy transition that is reliable and affordable for all. Austin Energy is a national leader in clean energy. Over 70% of our power generation comes from carbon-free sources like wind and solar. We're rapidly adding new solar, new battery storage, and expanding programs that help customers use less energy and save money. But during the hottest days, coldest nights, or major weather events, renewables and batteries alone aren't always enough to keep everyone powered. That's where natural gas peaker units come in. They're small, modern engines that turn on when needed during peak times when the grid needs power the most. They never displace renewable energy or batteries. They fill in the gaps and make sure we have electricity in any conditions. These units ensure that we can keep power affordable and reliable as we add more local solar, more storage, and enable more renewables across the state. Austin Energy's goal is simple: keep our communities safe, keep the power reliable, and keep moving towards a cleaner future. Together, we can keep Austin powered, protected, and leading the way in clean energy.